Decoding Language. Hypothesizing versus predicting in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. In today's session, we are delving into the fascinating world of academic and professional vocabulary. More specifically, we're looking at the language functions of hypothesizing and predicting. Both play a crucial role in English language learning, but do you know how they differ? We're about to find out. Hypothesizing, in English language context, is the act of making an educated guess based on the available information. It's a statement that might not be proven, but is assumed for the sake of argument or investigation. This is a common function in academic and professional discussions where not everything is known or proven. An example of a hypothesis might be, if we increase advertising, we might see an increase in sales. Here, we are making an educated guess based on our understanding of how advertising and sales relate, but it's not a guaranteed outcome. Predicting, on the other hand, is making a statement about what will happen in the future based on current evidence or past experiences. This is often used in contexts where patterns are observable and can inform what is likely to happen next. For instance, the weather forecast says it's going to rain tomorrow, so I predict traffic will be bad. Here, you are basing your prediction on past experiences and current evidence, the weather forecast. Now that we understand what each term means, let's look at their differences. Firstly, hypothetical situations are often created with hypothesizing, while predicting is more about making concrete statements about future events based on evidence. Secondly, hypothesizing often entails a degree of uncertainty. It's not surefire. Predicting, however, is seen as more definitive because it is grounded in evidence or patterns. Finally, the language used for these two functions can vary. For hypothesizing, we often use modals like might, could, or may. For predicting, we tend to use more assertive language, such as will or is going to. And there we have it. Today, we've delved into the fascinating realm of hypothesizing and predicting in English, two key language functions in academic and professional contexts. We've seen that while they have similarities, they have key differences in purpose, degree of certainty, and language used. Keep practicing, and remember, mastering these will enhance your communication skills and enrich your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning, and happy hypothesizing and predicting.